Hey everyone, look who I'm starting today's video with. It's Chase from PAW Patrol. I found out Marshall needs help in these woods. His truck is stuck and won't start, so we're going to save him right now. Did you notice I'm riding Chase's truck? Drop a like if you love Chase. Look, this is Marshall's truck. Let's hurry over. All right, let's go find your friend. Guys, this truck is so tall. I've ridden it plenty of times, but I still climb up super carefully. All right, before we fix up Marshall's truck, let's check if everything's here. Yeah, looks good. All right, look at this. It's a red fire truck. It looks exactly like Marshall's truck from the cartoon. Look, there's even a control panel here. I wonder what this button does. Hopefully I press it and Marshall comes running over. Oh, look, the paint's peeling off here. Oh, look, here's Marshall's stuff. This is his water cannon. Although, it's completely wrecked and broken. Something must have happened to Marshall. Hope he's okay. Oh, and this is the hose. This hose shoots out a massive stream of water. If Marshall were here, we could actually turn it on. Whoa, look, these are the pup badges. Chase, come over here. I need your help. Guys, this is really not easy. Comment below what badge everyone has. Let me know in the comments if I got it right or not. I bet there's a surprise inside, or maybe it's Marshall. Too bad he ran off somewhere. All right, look, here's a wheel from Marshall's truck. This isn't good. Let's put it back on. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's hurry up and climb up top. Wow, it's Marshall's glider. It's massive, just like in the cartoon. Guys, let me know in the comments. Would you want a glider like this? Oh, this is Marshall's helmet. Why is all his stuff here, but he's nowhere to be found? Oh, Marshall, look, it's a toy puppy. It's so cute. Marshall and I are waiting for you guys to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next Pup's Truck restoration. All right, Now let's check out what else is interesting here. Why is it always so high up? Is this truck made for a giant Hulk or something? Or a tiny little pup? Alright, Chase, let me walk you through the plan. We need to do this together for Marshall. Be super careful here. You're gonna help me put the wheel on. And here we need to repaint the cabin, so Marshall can head out to the rescue in a beautiful truck. Oh, that's more like it. Drop a like if you like how it's turning out. Alright, now we need a heavier duty tool. Pay attention to what you need to do to install a wheel. This will make you the coolest mechanic ever, just like Ryder. We're lifting the truck with a jack, super carefully. Alright, Chase, check out the work. I really put in the effort. Marshall's truck is ready to roll. Whoa, it's starting that fast. What a truck. I'm amazed. All right, Chase, hold on tight. We're heading to your friend now. All right, guys, keep your eyes peeled. Marshall could be somewhere close by. Watch every direction until the end of the video. Alright, Chase, you're such a champ. Together with everyone, you fixed up Marshall's truck. Guys, take another close look. Do you see Marshall or not? Chase is definitely sensing something. Hope my gasoline smell isn't throwing off his nose. Guys, subscribe to the channel and drop a like so you don't miss the next video restoring another awesome truck. Bye everyone, see you soon.